The features that made a home feel current just a few years ago are not the ones buyers are looking for today. They've gone from selling point to sticking point, and it happened fast. In this video, I'll show you what's fallen out of favor and what's taken its place. A few of these you'll expect, and a few of these you'll consider scandalous. I'm Justin Braithwaite, a real estate broker with over a decade of experience. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, Granite Countertops. For about 2 decades, granite meant a kitchen had been upgraded. Not anymore. And surprisingly, the material that replaced it isn't rarer or more natural. It's the opposite. Quartz, which is engineered manufactured stone, has taken granite's place as the surface most buyers now expect. If you walk through any new construction or recent remodel, you're far more likely to see quartz than granite. The strange thing is that buyers usually pay more for natural material. But with countertops, we just took a turn in the opposite direction. Some people think granite had it coming. Remember, granite was the one that pushed out laminate. Now it's getting pushed out. Somewhere a sheet of laminate is enjoying this. There are practical reasons for quartz. It doesn't need sealing, and it suits the lighter, cleaner kitchens people want right now. Granite had a multi-decade run, but the next trend ended in embarrassment and disgrace. Chapter 2, Open Kitchen Shelving. Open shelving looks incredible in photographs. You've seen it. That's the whole idea. Design shows say, rip out your cabinets, put up a few wood shelves, style them with dishes and plants, but then the shelves that look so clean are now coated in grease and dust. Everything you own is on display, and the kitchen looks tidy only when it's staged. And you've traded most of your storage for the privilege. Buyers aren't fooled. A lot of them now walk in, look at the shelving, and start budgeting for cabinet installation. This trend didn't fade, it reversed, and quickly. So far, buyers are swapping out materials, but the next change is more drastic. Those crazy buyers are now throwing out entire rooms. Chapter 3, Formal Dining Rooms. The room that holds the nicest furniture in the house and gets used 3 times a year, the formal dining room. Historically, buyers expected one, but that expectation is collapsing. And it's generational. Younger buyers look at a room reserved for holidays and see wasted square footage. They'd rather have an office or a play area for the kids. They still want the square footage, they just don't want to lock it into a single purpose. The insight is that rooms that only do one thing are losing to rooms that do several. And it's changing how the whole main floor is laid out. That's next. Chapter 4, Open Floor Plans. This one is in its early stages and catching a lot of people off guard. The open floor plan is the layout everyone thinks of as the modern home, but its moment is starting to pass. People wanted every wall gone, right up until they had to watch TV while someone ran the blender. The drawbacks showed up, especially through the years as more people started working from home. Noise travels everywhere. Nothing is private. Cooking smells up the entire floor, and there's no door to close. No quiet corner to take a call. So we're moving to a middle ground. Buyers still want the kitchen open to the main living space, but now want rooms that close off with some separation from the rest. The thread through all of this is buyers trading form for function. Nowhere is that clearer than the room we'll look at next, where an old luxury feature was something most people barely used. Chapter 5, Oversized Tubs. For years, the oversized soaking tub was a luxury signal, but there was only one problem. People started noticing that they never used it. It just sat there, using up floor space, and stopped feeling like a luxury and started feeling like wasted space. Now people fantasize about walk-in showers. Not plain and practical, but bigger, glass enclosed, fully tiled, sometimes with 2 shower heads. Bigger, badder, all-American showers. It makes sense if you think about it because hopefully you're using your shower every day, and as a result, will get much more use than a soaking tub. Some builders are taking this to the extreme, and a growing number of new homes are going in with no tub at all in the primary bath, which would have been unthinkable not too long ago. Now here's what matters. If you're not selling, the only taste that has to be satisfied is yours. But if you're deciding on a renovation or getting a home ready to list, that's when you want to know what buyers are valuing now, and now you know it. Which of these does your home still have? You can be honest. This is a judgment-free zone. No one will make fun of you. And if you're buying or selling anywhere in the country and you're not sure where to start, reach out to me. I can help connect you with a strong local agent who knows your market, communicates well, and will give you honest guidance. There's a link in the description. I'm Justin Braithwaite. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. I put out new videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.